Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to prevent the flashlight from automatically going on your ARLO Pro 4. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings on your device preview in the app, then go to night vision, and you can see night vision can be enabled. And there are two different modes, black and white and color night vision. The difference is quite big here because the black and white works with infrared sensors, and it is quite great. And color night vision works with the flashlight at the top, which means that when the color night vision is enabled, the flashlight will automatically go on when low lighting conditions are detected. And I don't really like this feature. I prefer it in black and white because then the flashlight doesn't go on all the time. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.